The driver accused of hitting and killing a promising young Team USA cyclist was back in court today, facing those charges of vehicular homicide. Thanks for joining us for 9 News at 5. I'm Tom Green.
I'm Kim Christensen. Investigators say Yeva Smilianska fell asleep behind the wheel before hitting 17-year-old Magnus White in 2023. White had been training in preparation for the World Championships in Scotland when he was hit and killed. 9 News reporter Evan Krugel is live outside the Boulder County Courthouse where day 3 of that trial is wrapping up. Evan?
Kim, jurors were just sent home for the day, but today's testimony focused extensively on cell phone records pulled from Smilianska's phone, specifically early morning text messages, phone calls, and videos with friends that prosecutors are hoping will prove she was too exhausted to drive and never should have made the decision to get behind the wheel. Smilianska is facing vehicular homicide charges for reportedly hitting and killing 17-year-old Magnus White on a Boulder County highway back in July of 23. Her attorneys do not argue that it happened, but they are looking for a lesser charge of careless driving causing death. Today, for the first time, we saw cell phone records pulled from Smilianska's phone, including videos of her singing with friends at 6 in the morning that day after a night out, and a text message just after noon saying, quote, "I'm falling asleep, so I'm heading home." Prosecutors argue the records show if she did sleep at all before the crash, it was for an extremely limited amount of time. We also heard from a crash reconstruction expert today who says his analysis shows Smilianska did not swerve or try to slow down before the crash and did not try to slow down after the crash. He adds that's consistent with someone being asleep behind the wheel. We are expecting to hear more from the defense tomorrow before the jury begins deliberations on Friday. It appears the key question for jurors in this case will not be whether Smilianska hit White, but whether she acted recklessly in doing so. We're live outside the Boulder County Courthouse. Evan Krugel, 9 News.